Hello guys, it's Sunday evening and I'm on my way to build this vlog for you, and I just wanted to make a little introduction into what you're going to see here. So I skipped filming on Friday because I didn't really had a mood for that. On Saturday we went to an animation festival of animation clips, like rollicks, like cartoons and like this kind of stuff, which was amazing. The road to the place was a really, how to say, like mountainy, you know, like really wavy. I was driving the way there, and Andrew then drove the way back. It was cold there in the evening. It was really like I got a little bit chills because it was cold. The quality of the festival was amazing. We ate pizza, we drink some beer, and drink some beer, and you know, I mean, it's a very nice quality of festival for Cyprus, with like the villages far away from the cities. Still, like, there's everything you need, and you can also camp there. The festival goes for 3 days, and it's an annual festival, which is and it was 23rd edition of it. I just like can explain how grateful I am to have this experience, and I really wish that we would visit it next year for the whole 3 days. We will camp there and stay there. I've filmed some parts of the cartoons that were showing there. I'm not sure if I should call them all cartoons. So there's nothing, I would say, like it digitally made, as I understood it. It's all made by hand, and most of it, at least most of it, and it's so amazing. Like, this is the first thing that I'm gonna show you. After I will explain what I'm gonna show. Next thing is I made a Russian salad, which we call Olivie or zimny, and this is one of my favorites, Russian salads. I love it very much, and I showed you a little bit of the process, and I showed you what I put in there, and I explained to you how I'm gonna eat it. And the final thing is we had rain, and this is like, I can hear that people in the village are loud, and you can also hear that people in the village are loud, and they are out there, and everyone is so happy. It was heavy rain, and we haven't had it since March, I think, or April, and it's very nice for us because today in the city it was 39 degrees. I spent about half an hour under the rain, and I loved it. And now we have this rainy smell. My hair is still wet, and yeah, so this is what the vlog is going to be about. I hope you like it. Please put your likes if you do, and I really appreciate you being here on my channel. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks very much. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you very much.
Γέμισε 7 πιθάρια με τυριά και με ζυμάρια και στο 1, 2, 3 άνοιξε μια πιτσαρία. Γέμισε 7 πιθάρια με τυριά και με ζυμάρια και στο 1, 2, 3 άνοιξε μια πιτσαρία. Ήταν 2 ποντικοί, 2 φίλοι κολλητοί, 2 φίλοι κολλητοί. Ήταν 2 ποντικοί με κονσέρβες και κουτιά. Φτιάξαν βομβαρδιστικά, φτιάξαν βομβαρδιστικά με κονσέρβες και κουτιά. Κι ανέβηκαν στους εταίρες με νερόφουσκες και σφαίρες και στις γάτες τα μολούσαν και τις βλέπαν και γελούσαν. Κι ανέβηκαν στους εταίρες με νερόφουσκες και σφαίρες και στις γάτες τα μολούσαν και τις βλέπαν και γελούσαν.
Till. The till. What could it be? A subtle will. It's never there where you'd suppose. But knows which neighbor picks their nose.
Oh my god.
It knows what grows in cellars dark. If it will meow or it will bark. And where's it from, this friendly beast that shines and sparkles in the mist? What does it eat, and where it sleeps? And what's the company it keeps?
When someone asks, I say, I had a happy childhood. And my memory then plays flickering images that only I could see. Our family was like the center of a small universe with everything we needed nearby. Jobs for mom and dad, lots of kids, a gymnastics and track club, fun outdoor activities, and cultural events. We were free to roam as long as we were home by supper.
How many potatoes should I peel?
Big or small?
Average?
So, 2 each? 10, give or take?
Okay, coming up.
This exchange took place every day around 5. My childhood was happy, despite the cloud that sometimes descended on Mom. I don't know what was in that cloud, and we never talked about it, but it made her restless and distant. I'm just going out for a walk.
Oh, something wrong?
I'm so tired of my job. Aren't you?
Well...
But you're architects. You love your jobs.
Yeah. But I'd like to discover new sides of myself. Make a real contribution somewhere. Let's go to Peru, India, or Africa. We arrived in Nairobi, October 1971. The jacaranda trees were blooming, and there was a carpet of purple flowers on the ground, making the city smell like honey. Mr. Haugland from the Norwegian embassy took us for a drive around Nairobi.
You are going to love it here.
How many potatoes should I peel?
Oh, do the math. And so, our Nairobi routine began. My sisters and I went to 3 different schools far apart in the sprawling city. Dad worked downtown, and Mom, she drove us everywhere, like that was her new exciting job. Many expat moms went to Europeans-only clubs to relax between all the driving.
Come join us!
But not our mom. I'd rather die. On weekends, Mom drove us around to see our new friends. And then, gradually, she was replaced by teenage boys with motorcycles.
Here, put this on. Asa, hold on to me.
Like this?
Karibia zaidi.
Okay.
Sawa, twende.
Supposed to be home for supper.
Who were those boys?
Do they take drugs?
Oh my god. Are you being careful?
That's gross.
Yeah, yuck. Seriously, Mom?
I need water.
Mam wrażenie, że otrzymałam tego rodzaju wychowanie, że na pewno zawdzięczam rodzinie, że nie miałam trudności z wyborem. Ja świetnie wiedziałam, co powinno się robić.
Wkroczenie Niemców do Polski nas zaskoczyło. Ja miałam te 14 lat, no to trzeba zarabiać pieniądze, jak nie ma pieniędzy, prawda? Wobec tego otworzyłam pralnię dla Niemców. I że jeżdżę świetnie na nartach. Okazało się, że trzeba przeprowadzać lotników przez góry na Słowację. W Jabłonce był konwent sióstr i tam dostarczało się tych pilotów. Na Boże, ja już wtedy też grałam w brydża. Więc jeżeli ktoś dostaje szlema w piki, to na pewno nie wstanie od stołu.
Angelos, come up. Come.
But quickly.
Poppy flowers, Evridiki Papayakovu. The tornado outside Maria Domazu. And feeling broken, Daphne Arbaniti.
Hello. Hi. Should I say something? Oh, okay. So I was like, is it a cute name? Do. Yes, I'm Maria. I'm the director of the Tornado Outside. Is the one with the tornado in it. It's about the chaos of life. I'm very I have so many fears. I fear everything about life, and I feel like this film it's about that.
He talked yesterday, but if you want, you can say a few words today because maybe some of the audience were not there.
Sure. Hello. My film is Poppy Flowers. It's my graduation film, and I think it was shortly. It's about a relationship between a daughter and a mother, but it was inspired. I haven't mentioned that yesterday. It was inspired when I was far away from home. I remembered this legend which I heard in a religion class, and it's basically about how poppy flowers turned from white to red during Jesus' crucifixion. His blood dropped from his cross to the white poppy flowers that were growing around his cross, and from then poppy flowers were growing only red. So that legend inspired the film, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.
And Angelos.
I'm Angelos. My film is called Violence and Fire. Thank you to the festival, Yorgos and the team for an amazing, magical and quality festival. That's all. Hope you like the film.
Hi, I'm Daphne. I'm really happy to have my film screen with all the other beautiful films here and watch everything together. My film is not a film, it's a video clip and it's from a project that Odi, my friend, initiated. So every song of the album is for every artist to make an artwork, and I decided to do a video clip, and it's about body horror, and I would like to not say a lot of words because it's a video. Thanks.
Thank you and good luck.
Mother, do you remember? Early Sunday mornings, we had for breakfast his flesh and blood, our common ritual. Do you remember how often we talked about him? You tried to describe him as something abstract and universal that exists beyond our dimensions. You used to whisper every night in my ear prayers and stories of him. Your voice was warm and silky, but your lullabies were about pain and human misery. I remember I wanted to be like you.
Hi guys, it's Sunday around 12 p.m. and I'm making Olivie, which is a Russian salad. I think a lot of people in Europe call it Russian salad. I will just show you what I'm gonna need for that. So I will need, boiled potatoes and oh my god, carrots, salted cucumbers, and what happened to me today? You know what it is, right? And like a sausage. Yeah, it's a cooked sausage. You can also use chicken, boiled chicken, and boiled eggs, and that's basically it. I will put also a mayo inside. I might put some onion, I'm not sure. I need to think about it. Yes. So I'm just gonna put a time lapse for you to see how I'm doing it.
Guess that's what I get for leaning into the best friend. Now I've got one more accent, two less hands here for holding. Ignored all of my reasons for running far from my feelings. Now I'm down on my knees and watching you as you're leaving. I hear you say goodbye, and I say I'm fine, but really if I'm honest with myself, I'm a mess, total fake, thinking I might need some help, 'cause I never change, always getting in my own way. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, I'll take the blame for making you hate my name. Oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, oh, look at this mess I made, look at this mess I made. Oh, thought I learned my lesson, that love does not equal tension. Turns out I'm still the same kid, falling hard for affection. And it hurts so bad when it's over, when we both wake up and we're sober. But got that first little moment, feeling you leaning closer. Hear you say goodbye, and I say I'm fine, but really if I'm honest with myself, I'm a mess, total fake, thinking I might need some help, 'cause I never change, always getting in my own way. Oh, look at this mess I've made, look at this mess I've made. Oh, I'll take the blame for making you hate my name. Oh, look at this mess I've made, look at this mess I've made. Oh, oh, look at this mess I've made, look at this mess I've made. Oh,
Guys, it's ready. I spent a lot of time on chopping, and what I wanted to say is I'm not gonna put mayo there right away, because then it's gonna, yeah, I would better keep it in the fridge without mayo and add it when I need a portion of the salad. What I tried to do is I tried to put the same amount of carrot, potato and eggs and this sausage, and oh my god, I can't remember this word of this green circle thing. I don't know why. Somehow it happened. And like maybe half or 1/3 of these salted cucumbers. I might add like white onion, but maybe also like in the portion. I will see now. I love this salad. It's very tasty. Guys, we have rain. It's so rare for us to have a rain in August when it's so hot. And yeah, I'm so happy. Look. It smells like rain and it's much chiller, and we thought it's gonna be like very quick one, but as we can see it goes. You can only see small parts, but it's like rain. Amazing. It's just great.